Hey, good looking. And good morning from the Bat Cave of Bat Caves. Check it out. Does this work? Can I double tap? Oh, wait, hold, no. You know, okay, I love Instagram. I love social media. In fact, apparently recently, my buddy Joseph was visiting Detroit, Michigan, and they stopped into Ducati Detroit, some of my homies, and they said, "Oh, you're from Portland. You know Arun?" He goes, "Yeah, we call him Selfie Sharma." Okay, so good morning from the Bat Cave. Yeah, you know, just another day in paradise, you know, surrounded by some of the beautiful cars. It's the weekend, and so the boys who keep these all going aren't here right now. Oops, hold on. What's happening here? Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, check this out. Look at this. The famous Testarossa. Okay, everybody knows this, all right? You all know this. Ooh, yeah, cue the Miami Vice theme. Talk it. Everybody wants a little Crockett and Tubbs action. Have you ever seen the inside of what thing really makes this work? Oh yeah, look at that. You got 6 cylinders over here. And you got 6 cylinders over here. Ferrari Testarossa. From my side is very nice. Also, one of my favorites, look at this. Oh yeah. That is the 360 Challenge Stradale. Unbelievable, beautiful, awesome, sexy, raw. Oh, so cool. This car is kind of unique. It has leather seats. Most of these had Alcantara seats. There's all carbon racing seats. Pretty rad, but doesn't get more classic than that. I'm a big fan. Had a white one of those, loved it. Sold it to my buddy Faisal up north. He loved it too. Then he sold it. So much for the love. And then this is awesome, a little 16M. This is a limited production. Oh, turn around, camera. There we go. Limited production, numbered series. Look at that. Oh yeah. That is a convertible version of the 430 in a lightweight, ultra powerful, badass, gorgeous form. But anyway, none of those are the reasons that I thought you might like to have a peek back here. Instead, drum roll, I wanted to show you a hybrid. Now, this ain't your mama's Prius. Arun, you may say, what could you show us that would be interesting? What kind of hybrid would I want to look at? And you're at a Ferrari dealership. What do you mean hybrid? Que cazzo? I'm gonna prove it to you. First of all, let's start with this. Look at that. See that? Look at that. Yes, my friends, it's true. I'm standing in front of a hybrid Ferrari. Now, to be fair, Ferrari doesn't do hybrid like the rest of the world does hybrid. In fact, none of the supercar guys do. They do hybrid to make things faster. So you have a gas-powered engine that makes things go, and then for a little extra, they have electric motors that make the front go zzz. And when those things work in tandem, it's like 1,000 horsepower. So SF90, this is the first one we've gotten. It is stunning. It is absolutely stunning. It has not been prepped yet. So you still have all the packaging from as it shipped from Italy, all your little transit stickers and stuff. But it is still a showstopper, and I thought you'd like to see it. So there you go. This is the first SF90 we've seen. Yes, it is a hybrid. Yes, it's a Ferrari. No, you can't have it. No, you can't drive it. But it's rad. It is rad. I have to tell you, so I have never been a fan of red Ferraris. Black ones, silver ones, white ones. But red ones, not so much. And then, like the recent generations of cars, like the 488 Pista, man, that car in red, unbelievable. And then this is SF90 in red. It was super hot. And the other thing is now, you see a lot of the Ferraris doing a two-tone, so you've got another color for the top, in this case, a black roof line with the red car, and it just looks awesome. Anyway, I have not driven one of these yet, but the whole big deal about the SF90 Stradale is that it's effectively the performance of a LaFerrari, a little less, but where a LaFerrari was originally 1.4 million bucks, and where a LaFerrari trades around 3 million bucks today, the SF90 offers similar performance in a really small, it's a small package for a fraction of the price. We're talking about $500,000 to $600,000-700,000, depending on how somebody options it. Now, Arun, you may say, what the fuck are you talking about so cavalierly with those kind of numbers? Well, I get it. It's a lot of money. It's crazy. But in the world of hypercars, the performance cars, and everything else, it's cheap thrills. So yeah, it's nuts, but it's beautiful. SF90, big fan. And there we go, one last shot, just so you can see that it's a real thing. Hybrid Ferrari. All right, hope you all have a great day. Much love from the 50